Hello all. Today we'll be continuing with our business letter. So far we have done what actually we mean by business letter, types of business letter. Then we also did the basic structure of business letter and the inside address. Then reference we have discussed, how we have to write date, the inside address, the subject, the salutation, and now we'll be talking about the body. The body of the letter, it basically can be divided into three parts: the introductory part, the middle, and the closing paragraph. Okay, it begins 2 space below the salutation. It contains the message or information to be communicated. Okay, so whatever you want to write, the matter, you have to divide it into 3 parts. First is the introductory part, what actually it is talking about, the middle paragraph, and the closing paragraph. Most important, lengthiest, prominent part written in correct, appealing, and impressive style, because this is what will actually communicate your message. So it should be very clear, very persuasive if it has that tone, and very impressive in style. Okay, because this is the first thing that is approaching to the organization before you meet the people in person. Then double space between paragraphs, introductory, middle, and closing paragraphs, there should be double space. If letter exceeds 1 page, repeat the recipient name, date, everything on the next page also. Yeah. Then comes the complimentary close. Okay, then it is written 2 space below the last line of the body. Once we have done all these things, I'll just show you a format so that you will be able to understand it in a proper way. Yeah, it is the complimentary close can be written as respectfully yours, sincerely, or yours faithfully, cordially yours, warm regards, best wishes, any one of these you can choose. And here you have to make sure that you don't write apostrophe in yours. It is yours, yours. Okay, so in this way. Then comes the signature and designation. It is written double space below the complimentary close. First comes the signature, you have to write, then your first and last name, second typewritten name, third line consists of business title and the signature, which acts as a proof. Okay, then if you have to write if you have to include some enclosures would be if you want to send some supporting documents, that comes under the enclosure thing. For example, I am ordering 50 computers for my organization. So the document would be like I will enclose a specification about the computers. Okay, so instead of writing the details in the letter, in the body of the letter, I will just enclose the specification, which might be of 1 or 2 pages. So in this way we can actually include the enclosures. Okay, then copy, CC is the copy, carbon copy. If you want that anyone else also should be in the loop of the correspondence, you can do a CC to it. For example, if I am in HR department and I am ordering 50 computers from a vendor, I may do the CC to the purchase department or the inventory department. So in this way they will also know that this kind of conversation is being done. So that is the importance of the CC. Okay, types of business letter, there is yeah, we'll do this in our next segment. So till now you all must have understood how actually you have to write a letter and what are the different heads under which you have to write. This is very important because it becomes a permanent source, and it is a legal document, and therefore it has to be written very carefully. Okay. Yeah, in our next class, we'll be doing the different types or different styles of writing business letter. Okay, thank you so much.